Hello friends, I am Pramod Kumar Lodi, as you know. So today I am going to tell you about how to find DG set efficiency, and also I will tell you about how to find per unit cost. Okay, so friends, let's start the video. Today's topic is how to find DG set efficiency. So friends, I am going to tell you about in a brief how to find DG set efficiency. Also I will tell you how to find unit charge of DG. We have previous kWh 105 and current kWh equal to 340. Then first we have to minus the previous kWh into current kWh. So 340 minus 105 equal to 250 in kWh. Okay, and now we have diesel open balance equal to 990 liter and diesel closing balance equal to we should take at least 915 we should take. So again we have to do open balance minus closing balance, then you got to know 75 liter. The consumption of DG 75 liter. So you know what is the formula to find the DG efficiency. So there is no rocket science. The formula is very simple. Just you have to divide total unit by total diesel consumption. Then you got to know something unit. Efficiency. So friends, process is very simple. Just you have to find closing balance. Just you have to find how much consumption of diesel and how much generation of kWh, or you can say units will be divided by total diesel consumption, and you got to know the DG set efficiency. Now second thing is that friend, you can write down this because it will help you in future, because this is very important for everyone. If you talk about managers, engineers, electrician, this is very important for all. If you are going for any interview, then it will help you. So please note down for your future reference. Okay, now I am going to tell you about how to find per unit cost of DG. So there is no rocket science. It is also very simple. Just you have to find what is the rate of diesel. You have diesel rate 90 rupee per liter. Okay, suppose you have 90 rupee per liter diesel. Then apply your total diesel consumption into per liter. So total diesel consumption was 75 liter. So 75 into 90, then you got to know 9 5 ja 45 and 9 7 ja 63, 67. The diesel cost will be 6,750 rupee only. Okay, you have find your diesel cost of total consumption, because the rate of diesel is 90 rupee per liter. Just you have to divide this by total unit. Okay, I am erasing this because I don't have enough space in my whiteboard, so I am erasing one by one. Okay, now you got to know the total cost of consumed diesel. Okay, your total cost of consumed diesel is 6,750 rupee only. So unit cost per unit rate will be equal to 75 into 90 upon total generated unit. Total generated unit. So what were the total generated unit? 235. Sorry, 235. So 90 into 75, you got to know 705 divided by 2305. So you know 75 multiplied by 90, you got 6,750 rupee, and this will be divided by total generated unit. So you if you divide this by this, then you got to know 280.27 rupee per unit. Okay, so you find it, one unit will be cost 28 rupees to 7. And hoping you like this video. If you like this video, then like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Namaskar.